I created an AI clone of myself and it is doing all the content production for me. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can create your own AI clone that can allow you to post reels, post content on LinkedIn, and basically create a ton of content without ever facing the camera. Now, don't worry, this particular video is not AI. This is still me. I think you can see my face and my expressions pretty clearly, right? But let me play a recording, a clip of one of my videos, and you tell me if this sounds very natural. Did you know that you can create your own avatar in AI? In fact, this particular video that you are watching, it's not a real human being. It's an AI doing it on my behalf. That was pretty cool, right? Now, the tool that I'm using for this particular video is called Heygen. Now, I've tested multiple AI video tools, and this is one that I felt works the best for me. The tool that we are looking for is called heygen.com. It's a pretty dope tool to create your own AI avatar. Okay, I got completely logged in. Now let me show you how to create your own avatar, right? So this is how it looks like. It costs about $29 a month. I think it's pretty decent. Now here on the left, you'll find something called as avatars, right? And now they have some public avatars as well, but you can create your own. So this is my own thing, right? And here you can train the AI using a particular video clip. Now to create your own video clip that looks like this, you just need a good footage that you can upload. The footage needs to be at least 2 to 5 minutes long, and you can talk about random shit in this particular footage. Just the whole point is to just train the AI, right? So let me show you the whole process. Let me first create the footage. So let me stop recording and come back again. This is another video that I'm recording on my phone camera and looking at the camera straight up. And this is another footage that I'll be uploading to my video and to the AI so that it can train my expressions and it can create my avatar that looks exactly like me. All right, so I just recorded 3 footages on my on my computer, one on my green screen, one with my wife, and we created like 3 different footages, and we'll be uploading these footages to the AI tool that we're using, Heygen, and see how it processes. And I'll show you the whole process of Heygen AI avatar creation as well. So let's look at this. This is how it looks like, right? You can simply click on add a new look, right? Now I would suggest this one, upload footage, and here you can bring in the footage that you want. So that is the footage that this is the one that I created. All right, so this is another video that so I'll bring it here. I'll say my face is visible at time, and I mean, this is fine. My footage looks good. So now it will upload the footage into Heygen. It takes a while for Heygen to process these AI videos. Now, good for you that I have already created some AI videos here. So I have already trained this model with a couple of my footages. So let me show you how I create one, right? Now, the way to create your own AI video is if you click on create video simply and go to avatar video. Now let's say we create a portrait video just as an example of this. We'll go here and we'll select a good one. Let's say we select this one, right? Now in the script, we can write whatever script we want. It will capture my original accent, and let me play this so that you know how it sounds like.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen.
Right?
Welcome to the new era of video creation with.
So as you can see, it's not that great. So what I normally do, I just delete this. So delete the script, and I prefer manually recording this whole thing. So let's say, so what I can do is I can record like a short video from my voice and without ever showing on the camera. This is my preferred method because I tried 11 labs. I tried every sort of AI voice generator tools. Nothing comes close to the way I talk, and I really like the way I talk. All right, so let me just play this one. I made the biggest mistake of my life by not using AI to create videos for myself. In fact, if you use the right tools, you can create your own AI avatars that look just like you and feel just like you, just like this one. This is a video that is completely created by AI, and the tool that I'm using is called Heygen. Now I have created a completely free tutorial on how to use Heygen to create your own AI avatar, which can create social media videos for you without you ever showing up on camera. And if you want access to that particular tutorial, comment AI in the chat box and I'll send it to you on your DM. So this is a complete reel script technically. All right, we're good. Let's see how it did it capture for 37 seconds. Beautiful. AI avatars that look just like you and feel just like you, just like this one. All right. So we named it. Now we click on submit and everything else stays the same. We'll click on submit here. Now in the free version, it does not allow you so many flexibilities. I had to purchase like the paid plan to get it done. Now let's wait for this to get it done. And once it is done, I'll show you the final video as well. All right. So our AI video is done. Let's play this. Right. I made the biggest mistake of my life by not using AI to create videos for myself. In fact, if you use the right tools, you can create your own AI avatars that look just like you and feel just like you, just like this one. This is a video that is completely created by AI, and the tool that I'm using is called Heygen. Now, I have created a completely free tutorial on how to use Heygen to create your own AI avatar, which can create social media videos for you without you ever showing up on camera. And if you want access to that particular tutorial, comment AI in the chat box and I'll send it to you on your DM. So cool. All right, so let me see if the other avatars are ready. They usually take a little bit of time to get ready. All right, this avatar is ready. Cool. I think we can do this. Let me do one thing. So, okay, let's create one more, right? Let's click on create a video and avatar video portrait. Let's do this. Let's do this. I love this. This one is like pretty dope, honestly, right? We'll go for the script. We'll delete this particular script and record one. I made the biggest mistake of my life by not using AI to create video. Did you know that you can use AI tools to create your own avatars who can do entire reels for you without you ever showing up on camera? Just like this one. This is not the original Giant, rather this is AI Giant which is talking in front of you, right? And I've created a complete tutorial on how to use AI to create your clones which can create short form videos on your behalf. And if you want to get access to this tutorial, comment AI in the chat box and I'll send it to you on your DM. I cannot wait for it to like work, man. This is like so dope. Let me see if it is come properly. I made the biggest mistake of my life by not using AI to create video. Really awesome. AI video 15. All right, let's submit and let's increase the FPS to 60. I don't know, 25 minutes. Let's just submit. All right, the video is finally ready. I cannot wait to show it to you all. So let's play this one and see how this one looks like. I made the biggest mistake of my life by not using AI to create video. Did you know that you can use AI tools to create your own avatars who can do entire reels for you without you ever showing up on camera? Just like this one. This is not the original Giant, rather this is AI Giant which is talking in front of you, right? And I've created a complete tutorial on how to use AI to create your clones which can create short form videos on your behalf. And if you want to get access to this tutorial, comment AI in the chat box and I'll send it to you on your DM. So good, man. I love it. I'll just download this one. This is like really, really awesome. Now, there you go, folks. This is how you can create your own AI avatar, which can create short form videos for you. I think there is a lot of ways to monetize this particular tool as well. For example, if you create a social media agency where your core offer is, hey, I will help you create your own social media videos and you do not have to show your face at all. You just have to show it once and just give me your voice recordings. I'll do everything else by myself. That's a pretty decent thing. Nobody wants to show up on the camera. I certainly don't. Like, I love doing this, but I always become conscious when I come on camera, right? And the whole reason why I experimented with AI tools like these is that I can save myself a lot of time. Now, all I have to do is I'll just have to record some voice notes whenever I'm traveling. I don't have to wait for the perfect scene or setup to record videos. I can simply record some voice note, upload it on Heygen, and create the video script out and give it to my editor. He can edit it for me, or if I want to edit it, I can edit it myself, right? Fun fact about Heygen is Heygen also has a mobile app which can do the same thing for you. I feel like this is a great way to like get it done. And you can use this to monetize your agency as well, right? And let me know if you want me to share a tutorial video on how exactly to create one like this, right?